This tiny cabin home embraced the essence of Japanese style, renowned for this simplicity, order, and efficient use of space. Every detail in this design has been thoughtfully curated to reflect this principle, resulting in a living environment that feels both serene and purposeful. Functional elements take center stage. Built-in cabinets are seamlessly integrated into the structure, offering smart storage solution without adding visual clutter or a sense of confinement. In a nod to Japan's vertical space optimization, a loft bed is strategically positioned above the bathroom, maximizing the compact footprint while ensuring the sleeping area remains cozy and private. This vertical layering allows the main floor to retain its openness and functionality. At the heart of the cabin lies a multifunctional cabinet and wardrobe partition, a key architectural feature that not only separates communal and private zones but also serves as a central hub for storage. From clothing to daily tools, this built-in system discreetly organized essentially, helping maintain a clean and tidy atmosphere. The result is a spacious feeling, highly organized home that embodies the values of modern minimalism while preserving the warmth and harmony characteristic of Japanese traditional living. It's a refined balance between utility and aesthetics, perfect for a lifestyle that values clarity, comfort, and also the quiet sophistication.